My name is Greg Turner, and I am Program Manager for the Arts and Sciences Department, formerly known as General Education, here at Southwest Florida College in historic Fort Myers, Florida. I began my college teaching career back in my home state of Connecticut. That was back in the 1990s after I got my graduate degree in business. I taught part-time in the community college system of Connecticut, and when I moved here to Fort Myers, I began searching for an institution where I might be able to teach part-time. I began teaching business courses for Southwest Florida College in September of 2006. This led the way to have full-time employment the following year, and then just recently I became a program manager for the Arts and Science General Education area. My basic background is really in the business world. I owned and operated a company in Connecticut where I was the CEO and owner, and gained some valuable insight, of course, into the world of business, management, finance, accounting, economics, the usual disciplines that a business owner would get exposure to. So that really helped me to coordinate what I know with the college courses that I always wanted to teach. I'm in a give-back cycle, like many teachers here at the college, where they had wonderful experiences in laying the foundation of their college education with teachers who cared. And now that, of course, I've sold my business and relocated here to Fort Myers, I'm giving back a lot of that knowledge and experience, trying to help, trying to spark interest on students whose minds are wanting to be open to the business world, who need perhaps maybe just a little direction in a career path, etc. So it's been very rewarding, both inside for me and for them as well. I'm also an author of books. I've written 14 to date and dozens of scholarly articles that appeared in various magazines. My particular field of interest is Florida history. 2 years ago, my book that was released by the University Press of Florida, which was entitled A Journey into Florida Railroad History, won the Florida Book of the Year for nonfiction. This was a presentation that was presented to me by Governor Christ, and a program that was assembled by Florida State University, the Florida Library Association, and the Florida Historical Society. I've written 2 books on Fort Myers, where our Fort College is located, also one on Venice, Florida, about 40 miles north of Fort Myers, and currently I'm writing a new book on the famous land boom that occurred in Florida in the 1920s, perhaps the greatest migration and building episode in American history. The arts and sciences area really serves all the other departments of the college, including criminal justice, allied health, business, etc. It's not a major per se for students to take, yet the great pool of courses that we have are available for students to select either as required electives or just plain electives to enhance and enrich their background and get exposure to the arts and science discipline. Usually a career college is more focused and the student does not have the opportunity for a much more rounded selection of courses. Here at Southwest Florida College, it's a little different, and we do in fact have a good array of arts and science courses for students to select that supplement their understanding of their various disciplines. One of the reasons why I wanted to teach at this institution, and I felt this early on in the first course that I taught, was that this was really a college with a heart. It was really almost one large academic family, where teachers were very close and involved in the lives of students, and the students readily took an interest in faculty. And there was an exchange of ideas and helpfulness, and to me that means so much in a learning environment when both parties really want to get together, as opposed to being just a number or a statistic at a much larger institution. The Arts and Science General Education curricula offers a wide confection of courses. We have courses in the philosophy department, in the survey of the arts, English composition, normal arts and science courses. We also offer preparatory courses for students that need assistance with their verbal and mathematical skills, and we're constantly trying to devise and create new courses that are in step with the ever-changing environment of business and technology.